Today we're going to talk through the under hood kill switch and how to use it. So first things first, we got to pop the hood. So we will find that release lever inside the van here. Right underneath this little compartment. Just pull out on that, just like a typical vehicle. Now we'll have a little release lever that's kind of centered here. So it's kind of right above our Ford logo here on the right side, lateral. So once we do that, we'll kind of set ourselves up here. So the kill switch is going to be located right by your battery terminals. So that is right here. Now this kill switch should always be showing green or on. And if you're ever taking it to like a Ford dealership and need to disconnect that, then you simply will turn this to red or off, and that will disconnect the Vandoit electrical system from the Ford chassis itself. If your kill switch is not located under the hood, it would be on the side or around the front driver's seat.